In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet in Genspark. If you're working in Genspark AI Sheets and want a quick duplicate of your current sheet, here's the most reliable approach based on what's available today. Right now, there isn't a dedicated duplicate sheet button in the interface like you might see in other spreadsheet tools. That's okay, because Genspark's built-in AI can handle the job for you with a simple request. Start by opening the AI Sheets project that contains the sheet you want to copy. Look for the chat prompt or AI command box in your workspace. In that field, type a clear instruction, for example, "Please duplicate this sheet. Make an exact copy of all rows, columns, and data into a new sheet." If you already know what you want the copy to be called, include the name in your request, such as "Create a copy of this sheet named Project Copy with all the same data." After you send the message, give the AI a moment to process. It will generate a new sheet or a new tab that mirrors the original content. The copy may appear as a new tab in the project or as a separate sheet. Both work. This works because Genspark's AI understands natural language actions for creating and modifying sheets. Being specific about the name helps keep things organized, especially when you're managing multiple tabs. Once the copy appears, glance over the new sheet to confirm the content matches what you expected. For peace of mind, glance at key totals or formulas to confirm they match the original. If the AI method doesn't behave as expected in your workspace, there's a simple manual fallback. Select all cells in the original sheet, either by dragging across the grid or using your Select All shortcut. Copy the selection with Ctrl or Command+C. Create a new sheet or tab within Genspark Sheets, then paste with Ctrl or Command+V. Finally, rename the new sheet to something meaningful so you can tell it apart from the original. Most values and formatting carry over, so you can keep working immediately. Both methods achieve the same result: a clean duplicate that's ready for editing, experiments, or safe backups. The AI route is fastest when it's available, and the manual route is a dependable alternative if you need full control. As Genspark continues to evolve, a one-click duplicate option may appear in the interface. But until then, these two approaches give you everything you need to copy a sheet with confidence.